The Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic OG returned last spring 2025 to mark its 35th anniversary, carrying both nostalgia and modern flair. Labeled Reimagined, this retro version features updates while staying faithful to the original. The iconic white laces, once worn by Michael Jordan himself, make a comeback, paired with nubuck overlays now boasting thick reflective 3M edging, a tribute to Tinker Hatfield's pioneering use of reflective material in basketball sneakers. While this release includes some new touches, the rest of the sneaker remains true to its OG tooling and structure. This marks the first Nike Air-branded retro of the Black Metallic since 2016. Official images have already been shared, and eager fans can expect to cop a pair when it restocks at Foot Locker and Champs Sports on July 31 at 10 a.m. ET. A true blend of legacy, design evolution, and collector appeal.